So it's December 27th, and I bought a Caterpillar call option this morning. It's in an ascending triangle here, and I really don't like these that much, but I know they do work. I would rather be down in this area buying as it goes down and get the reversal, but this is a good continuation pattern. Everything is looking like it should. Um, the DI is definitely in a bull mode. The MACD is kind of going sideways, but is still bullish. And the SAR is up. The 50, 200 moving average, they're all pointed up. The RSI is pointed up. So let me go over to the uh, Caterpillar uh, option where I got this. I bought this at 75 cents and it was at 165. It's trading at 148 right now. And it is February 21st option call. So I will plan to stay in it a few days, hopefully, or I've just got an option, or I mean a profit at 113. It's 50% profit, so I'm going to go ahead and take it. Since the last time I've waited way too long on Starbucks and only got like 11 cents out of the deal, and I was up double or almost triple my money at one time. So I am going to take some profits as they come.